Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. So today I'm working with the By the Breath of God page kit. So I'm excited. I'm going to do a little bit of gelatos today, I think, for a background. I don't want to do too crazy, and this Bible's still new to me, so I'm kind of anxious. So I just picked out a couple of gelatos, just going to do maybe a little bit of grass and a little bit of sky. So what I had done is I have prepped the page with 2 coats of clear gesso from Art Basics and dried them 2 coats because if you're just on paper, gelatos won't move. So if you're on gesso, it will move. So I've just got a baby wipe and just going to gently move the sky. And there's certain parts I'm not touching because I want to have kind of a cloudy look. So just going to rub it in. And maybe carry it across the page. Let's see. Carry it onto the words. And just do this maybe. So how's everybody's day? What's going on? Are you getting ready for Christmas? We're excited here on the farm. It's our first Christmas, and we were at Ryan's house, and gosh, she's got the whole outside and the inside and lamps and chairs and everything is decorated for Christmas. He's like Christmas crazy, that one. So we came home and we put up our tree and we got that all done, and yeah, we're ready. In our old house, we barely sat in our living room, and in this house we have this huge living room with a fireplace, and I have my cozy little chair. I shared a picture on my Facebook page. We just I just love sitting there at night and just reading or playing on my iPad. It's just, I don't know, it's just so pretty. And we don't have any snow, but we're hoping we're going to get some for Christmas. So that's it. So with this one, with this Bible, I'm still afraid to do any really crazy things. So just kind of keeping it simple. And I think what I'm going to do though is I want to splatter some white paint. Let me just grab that, and just want to make kind of like a wintry kind of background for this. If we can get the white paint open, yes we can. See, I always think of these things, and then I always think of them too late, and I don't have my stuff ready. That could be a lot of paint. So I'm just going to dib and dab a little bit here. And whoa, that's a little too much snow. But you know what? I kind of like the white paint mixed into. Ooh, that's pretty. See, we wanted to dib and dab and see what happened. Instead of just throwing snow, this wasn't the right brush for it. I'm just going to do this and marble in the white. And then it kind of looks snowy. Ooh, I quite like that. We can even put a little bit here. And I'm just going to put my brush down. And maybe grab a little brush. We can also use like a paint pen and just make some snow dots too. That's a Sharpie. I'm kind of going on my little thing here. This is a white Sharpie, so I can just go in and add some dots. Doesn't want to go white for me. Just adding some dots with the Sharpie. Make it look like little snowflakes. That doesn't really show up much, so that wasn't such a great idea, but, right, we have to try these things, because how are we going to know? I have another white paint pen, but of course it's not on my desk, and I have no idea where it could be right now, so I might have to look for that later, but we just want to dry this up. And hubby was nice, he just took the dogs for a walk so I could shoot my video, so that was sweet of him. Alright, so, okay, so again, I'm going to start with my words. I have kiss cut these from my, on the scanning cut, and I'm just going to put these on. And this is on Job 37:10, which reads, "Ice is formed by the breath of God, and water expanses are frozen." So I love to think that in winter, God just breathes this beautiful, cold, snowy weather and icicles, and it's just, I don't know. I think it's so fascinating. And we had a really nice fall this year here, so we can't really complain. And it's December, and there was no snow yet when I'm shooting this video, but you know, I say these things and then it's gonna snow or something crazy. So I'll just put the little birdie there, a couple little trees. And see, there's snowflakes here, so I don't exactly have to make snowflakes. Somebody should look at the page kit, right? So, or how's Christmas shopping? How did your Christmas shopping go? My Christmas this year is pretty light because my husband, he's a huge kayaker. Little Hank didn't want to cut this for me. He's a big kayaker, so what we're doing is we have 2 kayaks, and we are going to buy the kids each a kayak, so that we have like 4 kayaks, so when people come out, we can, you know, kayak and have fun. And okay, so sleigh here maybe. I don't know, where does the sleigh go? I'll just put it here. I should have maybe put my trees up higher. Put my little hat on the sleigh. Oh, and the scarf. And I'm working in the Illustrating Bible today. I'm quite enjoying it. It's pretty big. And you know, all our ladies in our group, you guys are so fun. And some of the ladies are printing out a Bible and putting it in binders. I think that is so smart, right? That is just so smart. And they're saving themselves a ton of money, I'll tell you. And that's pretty awesome. And I wish I would have thought of that idea. So I don't know my reading plan yet for 2019. So if I'm going to read the Bible chronologically like I did this year, I'm not sure what I want to do yet. So I may have to take that idea up, because then as I print it, I could always, you know, add notes before I print it out. So kind of trying to decide what to do with that. Oh, look at these pretty little snowflakes. I love page kits. Like, don't you love page kits? They're so easy to work with, and we can just have fun and relax and be in His Word. And to me, that's the most important thing, is that we study the Scripture, and it's not just about the art. The art beautifies the page, yes. But what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're spending time in His Word and picking scripture that means something to us. You don't have to do necessarily this page or this verse. You can do whatever you want or mix kits together. The Jesse Bible page kit is coordinated with this one, so you can mix and match elements between them, which is kind of fun too. So that's what I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you aren't in our Praise and Pray Facebook group, come and join us. We have so much fun and we have freebies, and yeah, it's going to be an exciting month. So again, thank you all for joining me. I will see you next week on Technique Thursday. Bye-bye.